Okay, welcome to this stunning off-grid tiny house where the modern design meets nature. Built on a solid concrete foundation with a sleek metal roof, this home is both stylish and durable. Okay guys, welcome to this stunning off-grid tiny home where modern luxuries meet sustainable living. From its warm wooden interior to its high-end finish, this home is a perfect blend of elegance and functionality. Today, we will take you on a full tour of this incredible space. Let's step inside. And as you walk in, the first thing you will notice is the beautiful contrast between the natural wooden walls and the luxurious marble finishing and marble flooring, especially. The, this combination creates a warm yet sophisticated atmosphere, making the space feel both cozy and high end. The house is designed to maximize natural light with large windows strategically placed throughout the space. This not only enhances the beauty of the interior but also makes the room feel more open and connected to the nature. And let's start with the heart of the home. This is a kitchen. To compact, this kitchen is fully equipped with high-end appliance, ample storage, and spacious countertop, and making it perfect for cooking and entertaining anyway. The wooden cabinets complement the overall design, adding warmth and character to the space. And adjacent to the kitchen is a cozy dining area, as we can look from here. This minimalism table setup provides a comfortable space for meals, morning coffee, or even working from home. The open design ensure the space never feels cramped, despite the home's compact footprint. Okay, then moving to the living area, we have a beautifully designed couch sofa that serves both a relaxing spot and an extra sleeping space for guests. Positioned near a large window, this is the perfect place to sit back, read a book, or simply enjoy the breathtaking views outside. It's so amazing anyway. And now let's look at the loft bedroom. Unlike traditional tiny house loft that use ladders, this one features a stylish and functional staircase, making access both easy and safe. Upstairs, the loft offers a comfortable and private sleeping area anyway, and with enough room for a queen size mattress, soft ambient lighting, and built in storage add to the cozy yet practical design, making this space feel like a true retreat. From the luxurious marble flooring to the thoughtfully placed window and high-end finish, this off-grid tiny house is proof that small living can be both elegant and also functional. Okay, every detail has been carefully crafted to create a home that feels spacious, comfortable, and seamlessly connected to the nature. Okay, well, welcome to the one of the most stunning off-grid tiny house bathroom you have never seen. With its modern design, luxurious finish, and thoughtful layout, this space proves that even in a tiny home, comfort and elegance can coexist. Let's step inside and explore. As you enter, you are immediately greeted by the warmth of natural wood surrounding the space, the rich wooden walls, and cozy and organic touch, perfectly complementing a sleek, high-end marble flooring. And this combination creates a spa-like atmosphere that feels both inviting and sophisticated. One of the standout features of this bathroom is the large window. They feel not only do they fill the space with natural light, making it feel bright and airy, but they also provide a beautiful connection to the surrounding nature. With proper placement, they maintain privacy while enhancing the overall ambience. Okay, then let's start with essential. This luxury toilet is designed with both comfort and efficiency in mind. Whether in an off-grid setting or connected to modern amenities, this toilet ensure an eco-friendly yet sophisticated experience. Next, we have the shower cabin. Enclosed in a sleek glass panel, the shower adds a modern touch while keeping the space open and uncluttered. The rainfall shower head provides a refreshing and spa-like experience, making every shower feel like a moment of relaxation. Proper ventilation is the key in a bathroom, in any bathroom anyway, especially in a tiny house. Okay, and the built-in exhaust fan ensure that the fresh air circulation preventing humidity build up and keeping the space comfortable and dry. A rare luxury in a tiny home, this bathtub adds a touch of indulgence to the space. Perfectly positioned near a window, you can soak and unwind while enjoying a serene view of the outdoors. Whether it's a quick bath or a long relaxation soak, this feature truly elevates the tiny home experience. Okay, now let's take a look at the vanity area. The sink sits elegantly on a minimalist countertop, offering both style and functionality. Above it, a sleek mirror reflects light beautifully, enhancing the brightness of the space and making the bathroom feel even larger. Smart storage solutions are essential in a tiny house, and this bathroom is no exception. Hidden compartment under the sink provide plenty of the space for toiletries, keeping everything organized and clutter-free. And from its luxurious marble flooring to its well-lit open design, this off-grid tiny house bathroom is the perfect example of how style and practically can coexist in a small space. Every detail has been thoughtfully designed to create a spa-like grid, making it easy to forget that this is part of a tiny home. Okay, guys, between the exterior and some of the interiors that I present just now, only focus on the theme of material and color composition anyway. This doesn't mean that there is a correlation regarding the position and of opening and synchronized layout between the exterior and interior. However, this is the design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you useful ideas and inspiration, especially about this tiny home. Okay, okay, so could you see yourself living in this tiny home like this? Okay, let us know in the comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel. And thanks for watching until the end, guys. And just wait for my next video in this channel. And have a good day.